we're going to take a look at how to make charting notes a little bit easier to navigate and format so that they're faster to fill out and also review in the future. So the first step is to head to My Forms. You'll want to open your note template. I'm going to work with my SOAP note here. And then what you can do is any group of questions, you can add a new question above the ones that you want to nest together and select section title note. This will allow you to name it. You can give it a description if you'd like, and then all questions that follow it until the next section title will be nested within. Let me show you what that looks like in action. So we're going to fill out a note here for my patient. We'll select SOAP note, and in the flyover we can add the rest of our questions. And then you'll see now that there are these arrows that point up, so you can click to expand or collapse. So this works while you're filling out the note. It also works when you're reviewing the note, either in this flyover or in the full patient view. And you can expand or collapse multiple at a time. This should make it a little bit easier to group large amounts of questions together, or maybe one really long answer that you don't always need to review at a time.